I get tattoos because, for me, they're reminders. Reminders of things in my life or things I've accomplished or wish to accomplish. The first tattoo that I ever got was the one on my left hand that says "Happy Wife, Happy Life." Because I mean, that shit is real. I actually got it before I got married. I just knew. I loved the woman that I was with, and I felt really good about that because as much success that you could have, or money, financially being stable, amassing fans, millions of people who know who you are, it is all nothing without someone to share it with. Balance yourself atop my right hand because I'm like a workaholic and I like do so much. I have like so much stuff going on. It's crazy, like insane. And beyond just music, as well as like film and writing. And I just finished my first novel. I started my second. Then I started a record company and starting a production company and doing all these different things. It's like you gotta chill out, you know, because you don't want to burn yourself out, and you want to make sure that you can enjoy all the things that you've worked so hard to attain. I have no idea why the first time I ever got a tattoo was on my hands. That's like some real like gangsta shit. In many ways, I think it's like a great reminder. You know, you look down and you see it and you're like, oh yeah, chill out. Or oh yeah, you know, make sure your wife is happy because you'll be happy. The logo for my album, Everybody. So if you look at it, it's like an E, right, for everybody, but if you turn it to the side, it's my third album, so it's a Roman numeral for 3. And I just thought it was pretty bitchin'. This on my left wrist is actually a bit of like a double one. For the shorter one, it's kanji for Kill Bill. And Kill Bill is the 4th film by Quentin Tarantino, which I absolutely love. Tarantino's my favorite writer and director. Without that movie, I would not have truly discovered hip-hop. And I say that because the RZA from Wu-Tang Clan actually scored the film. And through discovering the RZA, I discovered Wu-Tang Clan. Through discovering Wu-Tang Clan, I discovered Nas, Mos Def, Tribe Called Quest, Big L. I mean, it goes on and on. And I got these in Tokyo, Japan, which I always wanted to go to because of Kill Bill. Honestly, it's probably my most meaningful to me personally. And this one here says, it's kanji, it says Ultra 85, which is an album I will be working on. I got it because I was kind of working on it a bit while I was in Japan, and it just means so much to me. So I don't know, I was just like, YOLO, let's do it, let's get it. Turn up, swag, flex, dab, it's logic.